Okay guys, we are here to repair a chip in a bath. For whatever reason there's a chip in the bath down here, I'll show you that in a minute. And these tubs obviously cost quite a bit of money, so what we're going to be doing is doing a repair on it. I'll be using a tub and tile repair kit. This is specifically designed to repair a bath. This will do cracks, it will do chips, and it will repair minor damage for the bath, or even tiles if you've got like tiles that are chipped. So what I'll do now is show you what to do. First things first is you need to clean the area. So what we'll do is show you there. So here's the chip in question. It's not a great deal, but it's quite big. That what you need to do is kind of just get rid of all the loose bits out of the chip. Use a Stanley blade. What other thing you could do is use like a twist drill, just to drill a little bit deeper if you needed to. And then once you've got it out, you need to clean the area. And to do that, you just get some Wonder Wipes, like these multi-purpose Wonder Wipes, and just get the area clean, like this. Once you've got the area clean, you need to follow the instructions on the packet. So basically, make sure the surface is clean and dry and protect the surrounding areas with tape. So what you could do is mask that area off if you needed to. Remove part A and part B as per 1:1 mix. Fully with mixing rod. Apply the product to the area to be repaired in 3 to 5 minutes and level with a scraper, waiting 24 hours to completely dry. So, oh, there we go. Get a bit of sandpaper, that's to flat it off. There's two, it's P320 or P800, so that's a bit finer. So the 320 and the 800. Pair of gloves, mixing spatulas, and there are the compounds, part A and part B. So the top tip would be to use a bit of toilet paper to get any moisture out of the hole. And give it a few minutes to dry. So we need to open part A. It's got a protective seal on as well. Ooh, it's a bit like face cream, does that? Yeah. Just need to remove enough to repair it. So place that on something. Put the cap back in. This would be quite handy kit to keep, is this, because you're always going to be repairing stuff like this. You never know when you're going to need it. So, oh, that one's already open more or less. So what we'll do is try and measure this out so we've got equal parts. It's roughly about right. It's just a case of mixing it together. You need to make sure this is mixed thoroughly, because what you don't want is it to be soft or not set properly. And you probably noticed I'm not wearing the other gloves. The repair I'm doing is very small, you see, so I'm not wearing gloves. But the gloves are there if you need them. See, it's just so if you're getting it on your hands, really. So once you've mixed it, then you need to get it onto the applicator. So there we have, it's just cured a little bit now, so we're going to start scraping this off, leveling it off. There we go. So what we'll be left to do when that's completely dried is to sand it back. Once again we use the wipes just to wipe this excess off here, so you don't want that. There we go. Right, so all that's left to do will be let that dry and then sand it all off. So once this is dried, we can now start smoothing it off. So you take your kit. Inside the kit you have 2 pieces of sandpaper. These are designed to fit on a disc sander, a very small one, and this is P320 and P800, so you start with the 320, so that's a lot coarser, and the P800 is finer, so you can get a quick spray with some water like that. That will just help lubricate it, and then gently sand back the repair. Once you've got it more or less level, it's just a case of another spray, and then using the P800 you can start to, this sandpaper is a lot finer than the 320, so you can actually feel the bump in it with your finger. And once you get a bit of practice on it, you'll start to feel it smoothing down. So, it's higher. There we go. I think that's sorted that. Just get a little bit of a wipe out. There we go. So there we go, that is the tub and tile repair kit. I'll drop a link in down below, and you can pick it up off Amazon, eBay, probably some online stock it. But it's a nice little kit for repairing the little imperfections in baths, and you should be able to sort out the chips and that with that. It does set hard, so it'll blend in with the bath quite nicely. Yeah, so yeah, so anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. There will be more coming up as and when we're doing jobs, showing you how to do certain things. So there you go. This is Handy Andy checking out for now. See y'all later.